All right, folks, we're back with another cooking episode, and we are making Okinawan Soba. This is Japanese. It's like a ramen, but not with that much ingredient. We got some bacon, and then I think we got some bonito flakes for the flavor.
This one going to quiche.
Oh, I guess this one is for quiche. So, but Okinawan Soba is a Japanese tradition in Okinawa that they eat it at the end of the year to celebrate the end of a good year. So, stick around and stay tuned for more to come. All right, everything looks like it's wrapped up in the bomber cooker. I guess it like tenderizes this stuff really fast, so it's very, very good. All right, now we're grilling up the pork belly here. I think we picked these up at the Asian market, pork belly tips. And then these are the 3 sauces that go with it. All right, now we're adding the bonito soup to the pork broth. It's gonna turn out delicious. Stand by. Added all the sauces. So we got it on low for 10 minutes. And we'll just let this simmer and soak up all that goodness. Gonna be good. Alrighty, here we go. Got the final product. So this is the Okinawan Soba that I was talking about. I guess she garnished it with some onions and some ginger and some egg. And then this stuff is good. That pork broth is crazy. And then I guess we got an extra dish here that I wasn't planning on recording, but this is a quiche. This is supposed to be pretty good. I've never had it, so let me know what y'all think. Leave comments below. Subscribe if you like it, and give the video a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Have a good one. Happy New Year.